Hi guys, my indie pics. Oh goodness, look at my indies. Hi you guys, how are you? What is actually wrong with me? I am literally in my car right now warming it up to go to, you guessed it, Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. I'm literally addicted. It's so stupid. I cannot get enough of Chipotle. It's so dang cold here. It's literally only 20 degrees or less. My car was in the garage, so.
Little thermometer starter thingy-majigger. We'll go down, but.
I am drinking my Sprite Zero in my new Yeti. We got this at Fleet Farm. I'm locking my doors because I don't trust nobody. Jason used it this morning. He had a Mountain Dew. Of course, he has Mountain Dew every day. But I threw my Sprite Zero in here because he was actually done with his. And I'm turning my heat up with the heck and bob. You just twist it and then you just whoop. And then to tighten it, like you could just, like if you had something that was like taller, like an energy drink for some reason, you wanted to put it in here, you can just twist it. Otherwise, there's a really good brand, Brewmate or something I think it's called, that has these that I wanted to order. And we just happened to see this, so I picked it up. Anyways, I'm going to run to Chipotle. I'm gonna get, I don't know if I'm gonna get a burrito. I kind of wanted a burrito, but
I need to stay healthy, and the burrito itself is like 1,100,000 points.
So I'm gonna go to Starbucks. This is what I'm gonna get. So this is from the Macro Barista. It's called a toasted white mocha. You might have already heard of it, seen people getting it, but it's 105 calories. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a decaf coffee, because when I drink coffee, it really dealing with my acid stuff. I don't know what's going on.
Anyways,
it is a grande cold brew, or you can ask for a decaf Americano or an iced coffee unsweetened. 1 pump of toasted white mocha sauce, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, add 1 pump of cinnamon dolce to spice it up. And add I'm not gonna do the cinnamon, and then add a splash of half and half or almond milk. So I'm gonna do a splash of half and half and a splash of almond milk, because why not? So yeah, my car's still not warm enough, but I'm gonna get going. Let you guys know what's the 411. It's Wednesday, January, what's the date? January 20th, 2020.
21.
Okay, we're gonna go. Bye guys. I'm so sad. You guys, I'm so sad I did not order it on camera for you. Ordered it exactly like this. So I ordered a grande decaf Americano with 1 pump of toasted white mocha, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, a splash of half and half with almond milk. So I ordered it just like that, and that's what she gave me. So I don't know, this supposedly is 105 calories. I'll probably put it into my Weight Watcher app at home, but I have to get home because Jason actually has a haircut and I have food for him. I have to like skedaddle. Yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think of this and if I think it's any good. You guys, so I got the coffee. I'm home now. I'm not a huge fan because I feel like it's not enough like sweetness, so I actually ended up adding some more of my own French vanilla. It's decent. I don't know. I'd probably get 5 pumps of the sweetener next time. So, I don't know. I give it like a 5 out of 10. It's way too strong for me, even though it's like decaf, so. Hi, you guys. So, we are going to the doctor right now. Oh shoot, of course the car's coming. I am going back for some more answers, hopefully. So as you guys might know, I have been having throat issues. My doctor thought it was acid reflux just due to some of the symptoms. Took some Prolosec for 21 days like she recommended. Now it's been a week after the 21 days and I'm still having some issues. So I'm not really looking for any answers necessarily, but just letting you guys know what is going on with me. I don't know what that car's doing. Like what has been going on with me. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know what the doctor says after. So the thing is the Advil has been helping me, but I don't want to take Advil every single day. Especially there when I do a lot of talking and I work scheduling. I schedule for work, so I can't not work, you know. Now we're headed to the doctor. I'm gonna listen to some music. Calm down because I'm nervous that they're gonna shove the thing up my nose to go down my throat and like look. I highly doubt to like have something wrong, if that makes sense. I'm not nervous about anything else besides the fact of like them finding something, or I don't know, I'm just praying for good things. Last time I left the ear, nose, and throat doctor, I bawled my eyes out because he basically told me, I don't see nothing, give it another 2 weeks, it should go away if it doesn't come back. So that's what I'm doing. It's been 3 weeks now and I'm going back. I'm gonna stay positive. Nothing I can do. I'm really craving a coffee, but when I drink coffee it makes my throat weird. So I'm just going to not do that, I guess. And I'm speeding right now. And there's cops over there, so we're just gonna hope for the best. I hope that they don't come after me. The guy in front of me though was speeding too, so Welcome. If you are new here, I've been having some issues going on with my throat, and that's what I'm rambling on about. You eat when you're hungry. This guy's gonna hit me.
What the fuck? Get off your phone.
He was literally looking down. Nice car. Squirrel. Anyways, not sticking to my Weight Watchers right now. I track every few days. I'm really good, and then I have a day where I eat too many points and then I just get really mad because I'm overeating, but I'm not. Weight Watchers is weird. It's, if you're doing blue, you really need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables because there's 0 points, but I don't eat a lot of those, so I thought about going to green to get more points in a day. To even want to do it anymore. Like, I'm just tired of tracking. I've been tracking since I started dating Jason, which was 5 years in March, and on and off. So a solid 2 years of continuously trying to lose weight, and I'm tired, you know, like I'm just sick of it. Yeah, that is my little rant for the day. The sun's out, I'm happy. I think I'm gonna start doing this intuitively eating thing for a week, starting today. What I'm gonna do is just eat, you know, if I go out to eat, I'm gonna eat something a little healthier, or if I am eating at home, I'm gonna eat portion control. Like, I'm not gonna be over the top with tracking, if that makes sense. So, I'll let you guys know about my journey and how I'm doing. I'm drinking a Sprite in my Yeti. I'm gonna just let this guy go by me because he looks like he's like crabby. In my Yeti. Cooler dealy. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my Thursday. I really wanted to get a coffee, you guys. I love coffee. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'll check in after my appointment. Hey you guys, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to vlog. It's 9 o'clock at night. It's Thursday, and let me clean my lens. Anyways, I just wanted to quickly come on here. So the doctor he numbed my, well, the nurse numbed my nose and my throat. Went down it with like a tube thing to like check on it and see. He said that my throat looked good, nothing looked abnormal. My voice box looked good. I didn't have like any anything going on, like no like tumors or whatever that you could possibly find in your throat. So that was good. He was touching and feeling my lymph nodes, and he said the one felt a little quote-unquote thicker than the other, so he ordered an ultrasound for them to do an ultrasound of my throat, see if my lymph nodes look weird. Why is my chin all red? So anywho, yeah, to see look at my lymph nodes. Once we do that, he'll like get back to me and let me know, so I'm just planning on scheduling that. But yeah, that's pretty much all the updates I have for you guys. I feel really good tonight. I actually, knock on wood, I feel really good tonight. I don't know if it was like the reinsurance of like I don't have cancer. I know that's really horrible to say, but like I was just more scared of them going down there and finding like something, like, you know. So anyways, moral of the story, an ultrasound, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, he said if it doesn't get better and that nothing is wrong, that it could be a couple things. There's like globus, which is like a feeling in your throat that you have that's technically not there, and you can have like speech therapy. He said it could be a muscle in my throat, so that's why the Advil's helping. It could be a numerous amount of things. So yeah, that is my little update. We actually had a pretty good dinner. We had chicken salad sandwiches. I had throw a picture up on the screen. I had cucumbers with cream cheese and some fries. So I'm trying the intuitively eating thing where I don't really track it, but I'm like being mindful. And that is all she wrote. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll do what I eat in a day, not tracking, but like being good, you know? So that's on that. So please just send me your thoughts and prayers, and I love you guys so stinking much. So good, you guys. Yummy. So I just put a little bit of coffee in it, like a tiny bit, just for a little coffee flavor, since I can't really have coffee. I don't know, it just upsets my stomach and everything going on. So this is a severe yes. This is a yes. My cat looked at me like, what the hell? Salted caramel skinny syrups. I got this at Marshall's, or sorry, TJ Maxx, $3.99. It's so good. And I'm gonna be sipping on my water. And now my eggs are finally boiling, so I'm gonna put the timer on for 12 minutes. Alright, you guys, here's my lunch. So I have some whipped light cream cheese. I'm gonna dip my cucumbers and my orange peppers in it and sprinkle everything bagel on it. 3 hard-boiled eggs, a serving of turkey bacon, or a serving of turkey's pepperoni, and half of a container of my leftover Arby's mac and cheese from yesterday, some black pepper, and salt on my hard-boiled eggs. So this is my lunch. Eating my lunch now. You can't really see because of the sun. Got my macaroni, cucumbers, peppers. So good. The macaroni and cheese, you guys, from Arby's I was not going to get, but I wanted to try it. So last night I ate half of a serving, and then I saved the other half for lunch today. Don't mind the mess. It's so good. And then my favorite thing is the cream cheese. Hold on, I gotta get some. The cream cheese, and then you sprinkle everything bagel seasoning on it. It's so good. Highly recommend that. And then turkey sausage. What I wanted to do, or turkey pepperoni, but what I wanted to do was wrap my cucumber in like turkey and then dip it in the cream cheese, but we don't have any turkey meat, so I might run up to Aldi later and get a little groceries for the weekend, but we'll see. So yeah, and then I'm having a Sprite Zero. You know I'm addicted to this stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat this. Like I said, I'll throw the calories up on the screen. I know for Weight Watchers, the only thing you'd have to count is the macaroni. You'll have to count the macaroni and the pepperoni. So, you can do this with any of your favorite food. My favorite's the cucumber though. It's just so good. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day.